Question 15. The frequency histogram shows the number of goals scored by a football team in each game in a season. What was the mean number of goals scored per game by this team? So we're going to use the stat mode on the calculator to enter in this data, and the calculator will work out the mean for us. So if we press mode and then stat, 1 var, so number 1, you notice that we have a column for the scores but no column for the frequency, so we need to enable that in this calculator. So shift mode, so that takes us to our setup screen. Scroll down. Number 4, stat, if you press that, frequency on, so number 1. You can see now you have the frequency column, so let's enter in this data. So 3 goals scored, 4 goals scored, 5 goals scored, 6 goals scored, 7 goals scored, and 8 goals scored. So scroll across to the frequency column, and the number of games where 3 goals were scored was 3 games. 4 goals scored, there were 7 games. 5 goals scored, there were 5 games. 6 goals scored, there was 1 game. 7 goals scored, no games. And 8 goals scored, there were 4 games. Now press AC, and then shift 1 to bring up our stat menu, and then number 4, var, and number 2, x bar, and equals, and we get 5. So the answer is option C.